Alright, well there she is. It was fully installed. New Pro5.0 tower power shifter for a T5 at an 87 Sports Coupe Camaro. Attached is a Hawks 3rd generation T56 short stick shifter. A Hurst knob out of a T56. As you can see, shift is dramatically reduced. I already set the stop bolts front and back using 1st and 2nd gear. Second to third, major improvement from stock. Instantly over. No hesitation. Before I was hanging up between the valley right in between 1st and 3rd. Every time I'd go into 2nd, shift up into 3rd, I'm nailing that right there. All in all, I'm very pleased with this shifter and shifter stick from Hawks 3rd generation Camaro. As you can see, engages all gears fine. That will be more determined when the car is actually driving, just to make sure, and make sure I don't need to adjust these stop bolts a little bit more. I did use RTV sealant around the base of it just to make sure. Some people say you can go without it. Some people are stupid. That's basically it though.